Makaih.
Drop.
All right, guys, the brown Santa or the blue Santa or the purple Santa, I don't know, whatever color FedEx is, they just brought us some stuff, so let's go check that out. Oh, yeah. We got us our tires. All 5, so 4s and a spares, and then we got this beautiful box right here, which, well, let's see what it is. Let's see what we have in this thing. So, I mean, obviously we know it's Jeep parts. Wow. I mean, I really don't want to show you my whole address, but look how many 4162s. That's our house number. Oh, and no knife. You're not my supervisor. Ah! JK. Maybe I need a supervisor. All right. I mean, I know this isn't like exciting supercharger goodies. That'd be cool. 47 Willys with a supercharger on it. But we got save that bag for a minute. What do we got here? Oh yeah, look at that. Parts for the Jeep. Yeah. Windscreen things. You saw that in the last, I think, lost footage video? No, I don't think you've seen that one yet. 2 of them. Oh. We got seat foam. 1, 2. Oh. Seat hardware. We got the rear seats. Rear seats, top bar. And then what I'm guessing in here is seat cushions. Look at that. Can I wear it as a hat? This reminds me of something like Russian. I don't know why it reminds me of like a Russian like military, like not military, Russian like nurse hat, like you would see in Chernobyl. I don't know why. That's what it reminds me of. So cool. Now we got all the things necessary to finish our seats. So maybe that's what today's project will be. Well, when you're seeing this video, that will be what today's project is going to be. So yeah, bye. All right, so let's talk rear seat. Rear seat of this thing, Gilly was able to find them. Well, to buy them new, they're $299 for not an original, remanufactured, and that's stupid, crazy expensive. By the time you order the seat covers and the cushions, you're at almost $500-600 for a rear seat. So Gilly was able to find this at a local military surplus place here in Tucson. He got it for $100. So if you don't count, I think we did math on this. Once we were finally done with this rear seat project and the hours that we had into it, if you charged roughly $80 an hour, we have $2,300 into the seat. So we're not going to talk about that. We're just going to talk about how it's from a 51 Jeep. Ours is a 47. There's some pretty big differences between a 51 and a 47. So it needed to be cut down by 3 inches just to fit inside the wheel wells of the seat. So we did that. We got to fit all nice and pretty and whatnot. And then I bought the cushions. So I had taken this to an upholstery, and an upholstery place wanted lots of money, $400 or $500 just to upholster it. So then I just ordered a rear kit 446, 47 2A seat. It came in, and when that came in, as you just saw in the unboxing video, we went and put it up against the seat, and it didn't fit. So the seat is pretty much being cut apart for the third time. Yeah, I know you guys are probably tired of seeing the seat. We're tired of seeing the seat, but here's the completion of our seat.
That's fine. We can just bolt them to the metal.
It'll look funny because it's shorter.
Worst case scenario, I think the upholstery guy and have them widened.
You can't widen. It's like trying to stretch wire. You can't stretch wire. Paid a lot of money for these.
Did you? It's not that bad, really. Is there boards in those?
No, I got bored, but they're. Oh, that's something that
warm?
shocked me.
Oh, it's so warm. Let's round it. No?
There's a little chinger on there that poked me. I mean, how funny does it look for this? I mean, what if we just? I mean, because I don't know what's supposed to go.
That's the back. Because everything's gonna be green. Remember that. How close is this to our green? That's pretty good.
That's why I haven't even looked. I mean, it's okay probably for it to be a little narrower, maybe. It'll look funny. Ashley, is it gonna look funny? Ashley
I think it looks weird.
Ashley says it looks weird.
I say the bottom doesn't look that bad, but we can narrow the top.
I said, because what about, my issue is like you have this gap here. What are you going to do with it?
There's gonna be metal there.
Where are you going to get the metal? Like, what's the metal use going to be for?
So, I mean, that's what.
What is that, 3 inches? How wide is that in the Jeep? We'll put it in the Jeep. Let's see. Let's see how narrow that shit is in the Jeep. Yeah, let's go green.
Close enough.
Yeah. Wow. Way narrow.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's cut it. This is more welding. Grinding, your favorite.
We got lots of wire.
How about this? How about we cut it and make it fit? And this one we'll just cut out and grind it weld.
Okay, so we're gonna put so much stuff in the way.
Yeah,
Pretty soon you're going to see nothing but sparks.
I can still see your face better than I could before.
All right, Gilly. So what do we cut?
Pretty. You're gonna cut that top bar first.
You want to cut this top off first?
Yep. Here, let me move it down to space for you. And get out of the way, even though I actually can see it now.
Ooh, those are fabulous. Fabulously bad.
Well, if you would wear glasses instead of contacts.
Well, no, that's even worse. Okay. What'd you do?
Oh,
It slipped.
oh, my burns.
It burns. What burns?
Chemical burns from.
Oh. Oh. Hey, that's it. Don't worry about that.
Did you stop filming?
No.
Camera filmer down!
Camera woman down! Camera woman down!
They don't bother us. They're clean.
Camera woman down!
Oh,
Hey, are you okay?
oh, my knee.
Oh, wait. I got this.
Okay, Ashley, stand over there.
Well, no, I was trying. But there's so
You
much.
waited too long.
Okay. Back to cutting.
Part 2.
Part 2. Ashley and she. Who cares? I do have to say though, that was an awesome, like, save the camera, kill thyself. You know what? You know what?
Before we do anything
Save the
else.
camera, kill thyself.
Stupid lights.
You know where I learned this from? I listen to
All she could think about was, oh God, she's going to kill me.
Ashley just absolutely busted
Her ass.
her ass. Her beep! She was cameraman. Oh, it is really slick right there. She went down, but she saved the camera.
Seat.
The things you do to save $299.95. Somewhere there's a seat in here.
So I hear A's getting ready for his project. Or ready for his
We're
project.
starting. Well, we got all the garage cleaned up.
Table out there.
No, we're gonna move the race car. We're gonna move the race car to where the car is now, and then move that car to where the race.
So you took our idea.
So we'll have the whole. Yeah, we'll move the brake over there. So we'll have the whole garage. We're talking about top secret stuff. More to come.
Chop some legs off.
So if you just stop to click because you see me talking and you want to hear me, yeah, we're going to now cut the legs off of this. And if you guys are liking what you see and you like this fabrication thing, you know, don't forget to subscribe and give us some likes. Leave us some comments if you think we're doing this wrong or there was another way to do this. We probably won't listen to you because it'll be done by the time we read this. So, but we will take your suggestions into later. No, I'm joking. We like all suggestions, all help, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, like and subscribe. Now to cutting feet off. Ow, it's hot!
The funny part about today was when I got here, we had 3 seats.
And now we have like 1 and like 6
6.
quarters.
I mean, it's gonna fit. Because it's still gonna be right up on top of it anyway.
It's
So.
still gonna be on top, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we're doing wood. It's gonna sit on top. I think it's perfect.
Okay.
I think we just
Make it
we
square.
don't even. Yeah.
How much smaller is it going?
So much smaller now. oil gonna work?
Yes, that's
He's gonna scare the crap out of that kid, so get ready.
To oil it, make it. No, I was trying to get
See how it grows?
Yeah.
That's the oil.
Oh, you didn't know where you went.
You don't want to lose the
It's gonna get exciting. It's gonna get
No, I
exciting.
wanted a closer shot.
No,
I
it's not
zoomed in.
focusing. It's not focusing.
I know. It's longer. It's gonna be a
Oh, I
long.
know. I was about to touch metal.
Huh?
I was about to touch metal.
Oh. Yeah, this probably isn't.
Oh, you have to leave it on or you can't feed it through. There. Turn it back on.
Oh my gosh. You know, this entire video has taken. This entire video has been AC.
Huh?
AC.
Yeah, we've spent 8 hours.
Thank you, Ashley.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for reminding me.
Don't sound so happy.
Well, it wasn't just the seat. It was also giving the Christian kid a ride in the Cobra.
Yeah, there was a bunch of. We had to give Cobra rides. I mean, shit. Somebody wants a Cobra ride. Who am I to do that?
Especially a kid that's had it hard already before.
Kid was super excited about a Cobra ride. I told him yesterday to give him a ride. That's why I came around today.
How was it?
Yeah. I was like, I'll give you a ride. He's like, oh man, I gotta. There, we gotta go do whatever. All right, well, that took a lot longer than we thought, right, Gilly?
As usual.
As usual. Well, as you can see, though, we have painted seats. What we still don't have on them is covers. So it's super late on us tonight. These things have to dry. The garage was a train wreck. So we'll see you here in about all right, guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you like what you see, hey, subscribe down below. Give us that like button. You can also follow us on Instagram. Make sure that you have your post notifications turned on so you can catch up on when we post something new. With that, have a good time and ride on.